In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up Instagram and tap the little story icon up in the top left corner. It's going to pull up a page that looks something like this, where you could see add to story, where you want to choose your first picture. Now, we're just going to use pictures that I used in thumbnails in the last couple videos, but essentially go ahead and find the picture that you want first, and then go ahead and drag it down, shrink it, put it wherever you want. It doesn't necessarily matter, right? From here, select the little sticker icon on the right hand side, select photo, and then choose your next photo, add it on here, resize it. Once again, do really whatever you want to do. Once again, just repeat the process. Keep doing that over and over and over again. Actually, I just realized this is the exact same picture. Let's delete that. But add as, however many you really want on here. Whenever you're done, you just have to hit your story to go ahead and upload it to your story. And this is how you can make like a collage with multiple pictures, and these can obviously be overlapped as well. It's completely up to you. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.